How do you model this? Add a reference image of bullet. Link of the image will be in description. Reset its rotation to 0 and rotate it 90 degrees in x-axis. Add a cylinder and enter these dimensions in the scale of cylinder. 204 millimeters in z-axis, 26.95 millimeters in x and y-axis. Now scale the image according to the cylinder. Apply the scale and add the loop cuts as I am adding. Select this top part and scale it down by pressing S and then Shift Z. Add a loop cut here and here. Select the top edges and scale them down. Add loop cut here, select these faces and extrude them backwards. Now add 2 loop cuts here. Select these loop cuts and bevel them. Select the faces between them and extrude them backwards a bit. Add a loop cut here, select the faces and extrude them out. Add 1 more loop cut in between, select these bottom faces and scale them a little bit. Now add 2 loop cuts here and here. Select the faces and extrude them a little bit. Add 2 loop cut on the bottom, select the middle faces and extrude them inwards. Now select these faces and extrude them out. Now select every sharp edge loop in the bullet model and give them edge crease by pressing Shift plus E and 1. Select the top cap and inset it. Inset it again. Delete the face, press F3 and then grid fill. Go to Shading Properties, enable Cavity, and change the option to both. You can adjust these settings as per your liking. I will change my viewport to this matte cap for better visibility of the ridges. Check all the sharp corners and see if they are correct. Now let's add materials to it. But before that, I want you to know about my Patreon. If you're facing challenges in Blender, I'm here to help. On Patreon, I'm offering exclusive support where you can ask me your questions directly. Plus, you'll get early access to upcoming Blender courses and resources I'm creating to make your journey even smoother. Check it out in the description below. Now let's carry on. Select this part with Box Select and then press Ctrl plus until you select the casing. Add a material to it. Go to Render View and add some lighting to see the material. Give a brown color to the bullet, increase the metalness and decrease the roughness. Select these faces and assign them a different material. Color, pick the same material as bullet. Increase metallic property and decrease the roughness. Now select these faces and press Ctrl plus to select corner faces and assign them new material. Color, pick the color from photo and adjust it. Increase metallic property and decrease the roughness. Select these top faces and assign them a new material. Select these faces too and assign them the same material. Make it black in color. Increase metallic property and decrease the roughness. Your 3D model is complete. I hope you liked the video.